What's up guys, and welcome to a brand new video. This is actually the first ever video created on this channel, and there are many more to come. So in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a 404 page with Elementor. So you're gonna head to your dashboard, templates, save templates, add new, and you're going to select the type of template that you want to work on. We're going to select error 404 and we're going to name it error 404. Click on create template and we're ready to build. So you can either build your own by using the elements and widgets, or you can just select a pre-made one, which I will be doing for the sake of this video. So I'm just gonna click on a random one, insert, and I don't like this information, so I will be deleting it. As you can see, it gives us a pre-made page for the oops, that page can be found 404 error. So once you have your page ready and your block ready, you're just gonna be clicking on publish, and it's gonna ask you where do you want to display your template. You can add a condition, and you want to make sure that you select the 404 page at the bottom. This is going to make sure that you will be redirected to this page, and I will show you that in a minute. Click save and close. Alright, now to test this, you can go to your site and you can type in a random link, right? So I will just be typing a link which is not an existing page on my website. Press enter, and as you can see, it redirects me to the page that we just created. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure to subscribe and drop a like so that more people will be able to find this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.